Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something a little different because with the stress of the holidays, personally 2020 on a whole, I wanted to start off 2021 with a video that will help you guys relieve stress. So this is what I do when I am very stressed or dealing with a lot that's overwhelming me. I recently lost a loved one, I was moving, again it was the holidays, and so I'm going to start my evening with a cup of tea because nothing chills me out more than a cup of mint and ginger tea. And let's start this stress-free pamper me. First, you have to remove your eyelashes. There's nothing more joyous than taking off your eyelashes. And then I'm going to hop into the shower before I start my bath. Now, what is a self-care moment without a candle? I'm going to be lighting the stress relief candle from Bath & Body Works. It has eucalyptus and spearmint essential oils, which are going to help us calm and find relaxation throughout this entire experience. I'm going to add the foam bath from the same line, which has bamboo and aloe extracts, which is going to leave my skin nourished while I'm soaking. To add to the experience and some luxury to this self-care day, I'm going to add this TikTok bath bomb from Lush, which is not only going to turn the water a gorgeous orange, but is also going to add more luxurious ingredients to my bath and to my skin. Now I've already washed my face in the shower, so I'm going to use this hydrating sheet mask from Burt's Bees as my first step for my skincare routine while I'm soaking in the bathtub. I have been completely head over heels in love with the show Bridgerton on Netflix. If you are watching or have finished it like I did, let me know in the comments below because I have just been in awe of this show and I have not stopped talking about it. So what I decided to do was purchase the books. So I've been making my way reading through the series, and that's what you see me doing now, is reading the first book of the series by Julia Quinn. If you really enjoy the show, I would highly suggest reading the series just to see how the two are different, because they are different in certain ways, and to get more insight on their lives. Trust me, pick up the book. And if you have any book suggestions, because girl, I'm finished, tell me down below what you're currently reading. And also tell me what you're watching, girl, because obviously I need a new show. Usually when I'm feeling overwhelmed or in the midst of stress, I tend to carry that tension in my face, in my neck, and my shoulders. So I've taught you guys about this product before. It is the Fancy Remy massaging roller. And so what I'm doing now is using that massaging roller to relieve the tension that I tend to carry in my forehead, in my shoulders, and in my neck, as I mentioned before. At this point, between the candles, the bath, the massage roller, and maybe even this glass of champagne, girl, I was feeling really good. So good that my husband had to come and check on me because I guess I was in here for too long for his liking. But yeah, I really enjoyed this and endeavored to do this more in 2021 because it was so nice and so relieving. So what I'm doing now is wetting my skin because I'm going to go in with the stress relieving sugar body scrub. This body scrub not only exfoliated my skin really well, but gently, but it left me with such an amazing glow and glisten to my skin. I felt so moisturized and so hydrated without feeling sticky, and it wasn't rough as some scrubs tend to be. No, I do not scrub my legs like this all the time. I just had to do it in a way where y'all couldn't see anything. Now I'm taking off my mask, revealing this smooth, hydrated skin, girl, and I'll be back. Now look at how my skin is glowing already before I even add this body oil. Now this body oil was so good. It left me with this ultra moisturized skin that lasted until the next day. I wasn't ashy or dry the next day. Sometimes you know how you wake up and used to be ashy? That wasn't me. And it didn't feel sticky or very oily. So once I got into my sheets, I didn't feel like I was ruining my sheets. It was such a great lightweight oil. And the smell is heavenly. This oil made me a believer in essential oils and how they can really relieve your stress or make you feel more calm. This oil really did that for me. So definitely check it out if you have a Bath & Body Works by you. And I think they're all on sale right now too. I think this is a good clip to show you how the oil was just locking in the moisture that was already there without adding any kind of stickiness to it. And don't forget your feet. Just because it might be winter and people aren't seeing them doesn't mean that you should allow them to be ashy. No. Lotion your feet. Now I am getting into my most comfy, fluffiest robe that I own, and I hope that this video brought you guys some relief, some ideas for maybe self-care things that you can do to relieve your own stress as we go into 2021. I wish you the best year. Thank you all for rocking with me through the end of 2020, and I will see you all in the next one.